How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Roblox instantly closes after launching on Windows. So the first thing that you want to do is your Roblox is updated to the latest version. Now this will eliminate bugs and glitches within the app that can cause closing or crashing. Right after, we also have to update our drivers. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA graphics card, so I'll just search for NVIDIA drivers. If you're using something like AMD or Intel, you could just head over to the same page on the official web page, and then in here you want to look for the right model for your specific graphics card. Now, what you can do is to also try launching Roblox as administrator. You want to close Roblox, and then before opening it, you want to click on the run as administrator. And for the last thing that I suggest is to completely uninstall Roblox. So we have to bypass the web installation. And before you do that, you have to eliminate all the files your Roblox is installed to. So let's type Roblox onto our add or remove programs, click on the uninstall button, and after deleting everything from Roblox, we then have to get a new one from the Microsoft Store. So just search for Microsoft Store right here, search for Roblox, and then you want to get one from the official store that will go ahead and eliminate a lot of bugs and glitches within the app. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.